In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Ticket Toolbot in your Discord server. So the first step is to go to your server and then go to server settings. Now go to roles and then we just have to create a new role. So I'm going to name this support and then I'm going to choose a color and then click on save changes. Now, after we do that, we just have to open a new browser and search for support ticket bot Discord and click on the first option. Now here we just have to click on invite ticket tool. And then from here, we just have to make sure that we select our Discord server. Now, once you do that, so let's verify that we are human. And then we just have to go back to Discord. So as you can see, we have the ticket tool. Now, the next step is to right click here and then simply create a new category. So we're gonna name this support, then click on create category. Then we just have to create a new text channel. And then here, I'm going to name it support, click on create. Now, what we're gonna have to do next is simply go back to the ticket tool website and then click on dashboard. Now we just have to log in with Discord. So let's scroll down and authorize this so we get access to the panel. Now here we just have to click on manage to the server. So from here, we just have to create a new panel. So here we can name this support and then click on create. Now from here, we just have to go to general support team role. So we're gonna choose support, the one that we just created, click on save. Now let's go back. Now then go to category. So from here, we're gonna have to choose support. And then simply click on support again and click on save. Now we just have to go back again. And then from here, we just have to click on send. So let's choose support and then click on send again. So as you can see, now we have here our bot. So we can create a new ticket. Now this works for me because I have the role of the support, so you can basically add new users. So if you go to your server settings, then go to roles, and then you click on support. Here you can basically add different members. So you can click on add members, and as you can see, I can add myself. So basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.